Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we know that the probability of success, which is defined by the respondent saying yes, is about 0.33. And we are trying to find the probability that the first person that says yes is going to occur when we speak with the fourth customer. Whenever we're talking about a probability based on the first success, we are talking about doing geometric probabilities. And the formula to determine a geometric probability is P of n equals P times the quantity of 1 minus P to the n minus 1 power. And n in this case represents the trial where the first success occurs. And since this particular problem is saying that we want the first success to occur on the fourth customer, then we know that n is going to be 4. So we're going to utilize this formula and fill in all the values that we know. So P of 4, or the probability that the first success occurs on the fourth trial, equals the value of P multiplied by 1 minus the value of P raised to the n minus 1 power. So we can clean it up before we grab the calculator. So we could say that P of 4, or the probability success occurs on the fourth trial, is equal to 0.33. If we calculate 1 minus 0.33, we get 0.67. And then the 4 minus 1 would be the third power. And if you typed that into a calculator, you will get a probability of 0.09925. So the probability that the first success, or the first person to say yes, occurs on the fourth customer is 0.099.